So today we'll be studying defamation. So what happens in defamation is that we harm the other person's reputation, and so there are some points you can write. Its reputation is important, that we have harmed the other person's reputation, and in this case intention to defame is not important, okay. And the third one is that it should be communicated to the third party. So let's understand this through an example. So a person A writes a letter to person B in Bengali, and a person A knows that B does not know Bengali. A knows that B does not know Bengali, but still he writes, and he writes that B is a thief. And since B did not know Bengali, so he tells C to read the letter, to read the letter. So in this case, you can see that reputation of B was harmed in front of C. So over here, C is the third party and reputation of B was defamed. Okay. So now let's see, there are two types of defamation. Okay. Defamation are of two types. So first one is slander and the second one is libel. Okay. So what happens in slander is and in libel, okay. So let's see that they are not non-permanent, and words or gestures. In this, defamation is done through words or gestures, and that means it can be oral or spoken, okay. And in libel, what happens is that is permanent form, and it can be done through drawing, write-ups, statue, means written form, okay. So let's understand it. So in slander, what happens is that defamation is done through words or gestures, okay. And in libel, how it is done? It is done that through writing a letter, as I have given you the example over here. It's done through writing, so it will come in libel form. And if a person has spoken something wrong about another person in a meeting or in a crowd, so that will come in slander form, okay. So now let's see what are essentials in this. So first one is statement shall be false, and second one is defer to the plaintiff, and third one is it should be derogatory. So derogatory means some words that are used to disrespect someone, okay. Words that disrespect the other person, okay. So fourth one is it should be published to the third party. So what are some defenses in this is that the statement should be truth, and second is fair comment in public interest, and fair comment should be fair based on fact that are truth, okay. And it should be public interest.